It just so happens to be my day to do some miscellaneous things down underneath the stairs. Yeah, I got all my stuff set out. I got my construction light here even. And I've been tightening up foundation bolts. I've been tightening up earthquake straps and checking out some other different things, cleaning up and stuff. And see, when I walk through here, I made myself a little trail down through here. Boom, 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 boom. But look what they've done here at this 45-degree wall. They just let the top plate stick way out of point, and they never cut that off. You know, it's underneath the house. Should they have cut that off? Yeah, they should have, but they didn't. And every time I walk through here, I can imagine myself hitting that with my head or something. And so I'm gonna just chop that off. And I've got my Sawzall battery there plugged into that, and I put that in before. If you didn't see those videos, you should watch those on installing electrical underneath your house. I was going to have a light switch here for the lights down under here for these, and those go on the other side of that and on the other side of that. And I thought, well, since I'm going to put a light switch there, why not put a 2-gang box there and put an electrical outlet there too? That's what I decided to do. And so I've got my Ryobi little lightweight Sawzall right here, and I'm going to use that. I just happen to have a blade here, a Milwaukee blade, and that happens to be a 9-inch. I'm going to use that. Not going to take me very long to chop that off, and because I have the stuff down here, I'm going to do it. Cracks me up. I always think, I'm not going to make a video of this next thing, and then I always think, well, I might as well, just in case somebody else has this same issue. And you know, because I can walk so nicely underneath the house, why not, right? See, right there, ka-clunk. I haven't hit it yet, and I've been fortunate enough about that. And I thought, might as well do it. And they tried to put a nail in there, and it's right in my way. This is called a cat's paw nail puller, and this one's really super old. And because that nail is almost straight, I'm just going to bend the end of it. So I'm going to do it. I've got an extra nail in my nail bag for whatever. Now, look at this. Look at this cat's paw. I've had this thing for years, and it's just the one end, and look how dull it is. This used to come out to a sharper point, and I've got one. I should start carrying it. It's actually sharper than this on this end, and then there's one at the end that just goes out straight, and that one's really good to get down in inside corners and stuff. I always figure out how to do it with this one here, but I really should get that other one's actually a lot better, you know. Okay, I guess I can see if I can't chop this off right there. That's why I decided to use my 9-inch blade. I got some 6-inch blades, but I probably wouldn't have been able to get it in there nice and straight. I see how I use that. I dug in this way, and you see how I rock it back and forth, because there's only so much I can cut this way before I can rock it up and cut more of the wood here. And then I just go back and forth like that, cut a little bit more over on the back side, then the front, then the back, then the front, and away you go. That's nice. That worked out rather peachy. So yeah, the Ryobi, I was telling you before, if you've been watching my videos, this thing's just a lightweight battery operated sawzall. They've got heavier gauge ones. If I was going to be sawzalling for the next 4 hours underneath the house, or doing some demo or something, this thing wouldn't really last that long. But for the one odd cut, it works just rather fine. And it came with the whole set. And the lithium battery ones are the ones you want, 18 volt. And Ryobi, try that. They're less expensive, and I've never really had an issue with Ryobi. I've got a drill from Ryobi. I've got a flashlight from Ryobi. I've got the charger, and it came with 2 batteries and a little circular saw. It came with a little circular saw, like a 4-inch blade or 4.5-inch blade, and it all came in a kit with a bag and all that. Check that out next time you're at the store. I think I got it at Home Depot, and it works just fine. If you're someone who's gonna do a lot of work, maybe you don't want to get the Ryobi because it's kind of a lightweight tool, especially the battery operated one. This particular one, they probably have one that's more heavy duty with the cord on it, you know. But check it out. If you don't want to spend a whole lot of money at the store on your power tools, Ryobi will work just fine.